Happy holidays, guys. It's Dr. Jazzman1. If you're into nostalgia, gaming, vlogs, and reviews, then you came to the right place. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my latest content. Alright guys, so check this out. I got me this Viewmaster 3D. Well, actually my mom got this for me. This is a Viewmaster 3D set. And for those of you who don't know, and for those of you who already know, these came out in 1939. These Viewmasters would have these stereoscopic 3D reels, like you see on the back. They're pretty cool. They would have them in 3D version. And they would have different variations of them, like from Hanna-Barbera, and to Disney, and to Woody Woodpecker. This one that I got is a is a Mickey Mouse Deluxe set, and it's celebrating the Disney 100th anniversary. So these have all the Mickey Mouse scenes throughout the years. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, here we go. There we go. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Alright, you guys excuse my camera blur. But check this out. There's comic pages on this cardboard. And here we go again. Alright, so here we go. If you look closely on this side, on this cardboard, there are comic pages of Mickey Mouse and his friends, including Minnie Mouse. It's pretty cool. Now, I'm gonna open this up. There we go. This is the real case with the Disney 100 logo on it, and on the back. Alright. Look at that. Oh, it says right here, remove before playing. Alright. See if I can get this to work on the lens. Alright, here we go. There we go. Wow. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, and these are scenes from The Sorcerer's Apprentice from Fantasia. That's so cool. Oh, and look right up here. It tells you what the scenes are. Whenever you switch something. Right. And there it says Viewmaster. But let's look at this Mickey Mouse real quick. These are a pair of shades that he's wearing. That's super cool. I'm sure you all have one of these Viewmasters. And if you do, let me know down in the comments below. Alright, so check this out. This is the real, Viewmaster reel. Shows you all the scenes. Wow, this is amazing. And you know, I haven't used a Viewmaster in so long. I used to have one of these when I was a kid. This is definitely a childhood memory right here. Wait, this right here is a childhood memory. So like I said, if you guys ever had one of these, let me know down in the comments below. Okay guys, so I'm going to play with this for a little while. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to hit subscribe, and even hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my latest content. This is Dr. Jazzman1 saying stay nostalgic, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace and happy holidays.